Debt funds versus arbitrage. We'll be taking a look at the taxation angle between these two funds. But first, let us take a look at what these two funds are. Debt funds are mutual funds that invest in fixed income instruments like corporate bonds, government securities, and money market instruments. Whereas arbitrage funds are equity-oriented mutual funds that take advantage of the price differentials between a security in different markets. For example, buying in the cash market and selling in the futures market. Now, let us take a look at the taxation angle between these two funds. Let us suppose we are investing rupees 1 lakh in both arbitrage fund and debt fund. And let us consider that the expected return for both these funds are 7.5%. Now, the pre-tax value when calculated on a half-yearly basis will be 1,07,641 rupees for both the funds. Next, when we consider the taxation, LTCG taxation rate for arbitrage fund will be 12.5% and for debt funds, the investors will be charged as per the income tax slab rate. Now, when we look at the tax liability for each fund, it will be 955 rupees for arbitrage fund and for debt funds, it will differ according to the income tax slab rates. For investors in the 15% category, it will be 1,146 rupees. For investor in the 20% category, it will be 1,528 rupees. For an investor in the 25% category, it will be 1,910 rupees. And for an investor in the 30% category, it will be 2,292 rupees. Next, let us take a look at the post-tax value for both the funds. For arbitrage fund, it will be 1,06,686 rupees. For debt fund in the 15% category, it will be 1,06,495 rupees. For a debt fund in the 20% category, it will be 1,06,113 rupees. For a debt fund in 25% category, it will be 1,05,731 rupees. And for a debt fund in the 30% category, it will be 1,05,344 rupees. Now, when we look at the calculated post-tax return, it will be 6.69% for arbitrage fund, 6.49% for an investor in the 15% category, 6.11% for an investor in the 20% category, 5.73% for an investor in the 25% category, and 5.35% for an investor in the 30% category. If you want to know more about which fund is suitable for you, please get in touch with us.